Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about focus views right here in YNAB. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, it's going to be a real brief one for y'all, but I did want to kind of go over focus views here in YNAB. So if you watched any of my other episodes, you might have noticed a few items up here at the top. Well, this right here is where the focus views are at. And what are focus views? Well, they're basically filters, to be honest with you. And they're filters that you can actually set up if you want. Now, if you first start out with YNAB, you'll notice that you usually have an all, an underfunded, overfunded, and money available. But you can create your own views. But what does a view actually do for you? Well, a view is like, for instance, as you see here on this, I have a lot of stuff in this budget here, don't I? And maybe you want to kind of separate that into different views. Maybe you want to have a view of all your monthly expenses. Maybe you want to have a view of all your non-monthly expenses. Maybe you want to just click one button to show you all of the ones that are underfunded. Maybe you want to click on a button that shows you any that are overfunded. Or maybe you want to click on a button that shows you what money you have available, so you're not looking through all useless data, right? Data that doesn't matter to you at that moment in your thought process, right? So let's say you want to find out, I want to see all of my items that actually have money available to use. You can just click on the money available, and there it is. It weeded out all the others that don't have any available amounts in them, and it's just showing you the available money, right? Same with underfunded. It's going to show you any items that are underfunded. And overfunded is any items that you have overfunded, and that's based upon your targets. And then you can create your own. And as you see here, I have several that I created, right? So maybe I just want to look at my monthly expenses, all of the ones that are just monthly expenses that happen every month, no matter what, like your rent, electric bill, auto insurance, cable, TV, what have you, right? These are all my expenses every month. Maybe that's kind of useful for you, right? Here's non-monthly expenses. These are expenses that happen maybe every 2 or 3 months, or maybe every 6 months, or maybe just once a year. These are all your non-monthly expenses. So you might ask, well, how do I create these different kinds of views? Well, over here to the side here, you see there's a 3 dashes here. It's called Views menu. And when you click on that, it's going to have Manage Views or New Views. Now, if you've never set this up before, you'll only have the all, underfunded, overfunded, and money available. So typically, you just want to click on New View to create your new view. And this is what's going to pop up. Okay. And you basically just type in whatever view that you want to do. So maybe you want to look at only monthly items. So you just type in monthly. And then you just start clicking the ones that are monthly, right? Just like that. And then once you're done, you just hit save. And now you have just the ones that you created as that view. Now, if you just want to see how I've set up my credit cards and loans, that's basically how I set that up. It's just basically when you go into Manage Views, I just set it up, hit the edit, and set up credit cards, car, mortgage, and that's it. Just really simple, guys. I know this is kind of a short episode, but I just kind of wanted to go over these cool new views that you can set up. Like, for instance, I have this one for subscriptions where it just shows me all of my subscriptions. Maybe that's kind of useful information for me, right? And this is also very useful. Like, for instance, I have one for bare necessities. I have one for job loss. If I'd lost my job, these are the ones that are most important to me, and therefore I can just fund them accordingly based upon these items that are in just the job loss section, right? So anyways, like I said, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And also hit that notification bell, because that'll send you out some notifications of any of the new episodes that I have coming out. And so with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.